Rar, rar, rar.
Oh,
Hello, hello, say hello to the camera.
hello, camera.
So the journey to Carrowkeel is going to take us through 6 counties in Ireland, starting from Dublin, or close to Dublin, all the way from the east coast to the west coast. Now as the crow flies, it might just take 2.5 hours to get there, but I like my tea and my breaks, so it was a journey about 3.5 hours with the necessary stops and stretching of the legs. And this event was organised by one of the members of the Royal Enfield's Island, the friendly gentleman in the beginning of the video that said hello to the camera, John. Now John is a good old skin, and he decided to organise an event like this just so he could give back to the community. Looks like we're here. And already a good few people had arrived on a big variety of different bikes, like the Super Meteor 650, parked next to this really lovely looking Python. You know, it's like 2 completely different bikes, and we even have like a Suzuki Savage, and then there were 2 Interceptor 650s, and we even saw like a couple of sidecars, which of course I had to check out myself. They kept a bit to the side, but I guess that was not to make us so jealous of the amount of camping gear they were able to take along. And there were some really nice builds with it as well, so it's always lovely to check those out. And so it was the usual interaction of old friends and making new friends, which during the evening we kinda took it to the next level over a couple of pints in the camping's clubhouse. So the next morning we were waiting for a few more arrivals to go on our ride out. It was a bit overcast and rain was predicted, but I really wanted to try out my new camera. So in Newport we stopped for a spot of lunch and a stretch of the legs, until we were finally ready for the last leg of our journey. And we had been lucky, although it's been overcast, there was no rain, and people were obviously enjoying themselves on the ride out. And the best was yet to come.
Quite a lot, but that's stuff out nowadays, you know.
And unfortunately around this moment is where the battery of my new camera decided to call it quits. But no worries, I still had my GoPro on me, so I switched to the GoPro camera for the last leg of the ride, and miraculously we had kept it dry, and we wanted to keep it dry. So after that we decided to go for a beeline to the camping.